Here are 7 must-have budgeting apps for Canadians in. I'm going to run through the best ones super fast. Let's go. Number 1. Why use budgeting apps? Track your spending. Real-time tracking ensures you're always aware of your financial status. Before diving into our list, let's quickly understand why budgeting apps are essential. Prevent overspending. They automatically categorize transactions, helping you see where your money is going. Number 2. Mint, best overall budgeting app. Mint, $0, is a comprehensive budgeting app that offers a wide range of features at no cost, making it an excellent choice for Canadians looking to manage their finances effectively. Customized budgets. You can create personalized budgets tailored to your income and expenses. Number 3. You need a budget, in-app. Categorization flexibility. Users can customize transaction categories to fit their unique needs. Number 4. Wally, best free budgeting app. Wally, $0, is a free budgeting app that offers an easy-to-use interface for tracking expenses on the go. Simple interface, Wally's clean design makes it simple for users of all ages to navigate. Offline access, no internet connection required. Transactions can be synced later when available. Number 5. Good budget, ideal for couples. Good budget, $5 per month, is designed specifically for couples who need to share financial responsibilities and goals equally. Envelope system, use the virtual envelope system to allocate money to different categories, such as groceries or rent. Collaborative features, share budgets and transactions with. Quick reminder, the link to the full article is in the description. Number 6. Mocha, best for saving money. Mocha, $0, is a free app that helps users save money through discounts, cashback rewards, and personalized tips. Budgeting tips, receive tailored advice to help you improve your spending habits. Cashback rewards, earn cash back on purchases at participating retailers. Number 7. Ampli, best money-saving app. Ampli, $0, is a powerful tool designed to help Canadians save money by finding the best deals and offers available in their area. Grocery savings, track your grocery spending and identify areas where you can cut costs. Coupon Finder, automatically locates coupons for local stores and online retailer. Number 8. Pocket Guard, best for retirement planning. Pocket Guard, $0, offers a free budgeting app that focuses on helping users plan for retirement through automatic savings plans and investment advice. Automatic savings, set up automated transfers to your high-yield savings account. Investment tips, receive personalized recommendations based on your. Number 9. Checkout 51, best for grocery savings. Checkout 51, $0, is a free app that specializes in helping Canadians save money on groceries through cashback rewards and exclusive deals. Exclusive offers, take advantage of special offers and discounts available only to Checkout 51 users. Cashback rewards, earn cash back on your grocery purchases. Number 10. Pro tip. For example, if you're focused on debt repayment, in-app might be the best fit due to its emphasis on changing spending habits and setting up effective payment plans. When choosing a budgeting app, consider your specific needs and financial goals. Number 11. Common mistake. Avoid falling into the trap of using multiple apps at once. While it may seem like a good idea to have several tools for different aspects of your finances, this can often lead to confusion and inefficiency. Stick with one app that offers comprehensive features tailored to your needs. Number 12. Frequently asked questions. Number 13. Question, which budgeting app is best for beginners? A. Wally, $0, is an excellent choice for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and straightforward features. It's easy to get started and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Number 14. Question, can these apps help me invest money in 2026? A. While budgeting apps primarily focus on managing day-to-day finances, some like Pocket Guard offer investment tips and advice for long-term planning. For more comprehensive investment guidance, consider pairing your budgeting app with a dedicated investment platform. Number 15. Conclusion. By choosing one of the top-tier budgeting apps mentioned in this list, you can take control of your finances, track expenses effectively, and plan for a more secure financial future. Whether you're looking to save money on groceries or prepare for retirement, these apps offer powerful solutions tailored. Get the full guide at techlifeinsights.com. The link is in the description below. Follow for more.